Hey honeycrunchers, it's me Jham and welcome back to honeycrunch321. This is a non-nail art related video and I hope that this video will not be the reason why you're unsubscribing to my channel. I just wanted to share to you guys what my mom gave me for Christmas. It's a Wacom Intuos. This is a creative pen tablet that's used in making different kinds of digital arts, animation. It's also used for editing, taking notes, and more. Now let's open the box. Oh my gosh, I'm just super excited. Okay, so here's the tablet. And here's the cable which is used for charging the tablet, the manual, and the pen. So here's the tablet and the pen. Inside the pen, there are 3 extra nibs. And here's a closer look at the cable. By the way, this comes with 2 softwares, and it can be downloaded on their website. I'm still new to digital arts, and you can see my amateur drawings on my Doodles Instagram account, which is Jham's Doodles. Big thanks for my mom for giving me the Wacom Intuos I've dreamed of having. Up until now, I still can't believe that I finally have one. If you guys enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit like, share this video to your awesome friends, and subscribe. And that's it for today, you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!